We had 3 awards yesterday, and I was really impressed about the 3 people that have been chosen. I think Vincent Rajkumar, he is one of the leading physicians in the myeloma research and myeloma treatment, and for years he has been kind of instrumental to develop new ideas, new concepts, and on the other hand always being very concerned about treatment not only in the US and Europe, but also how is the treatment developing in countries that are not so well developed, that do not have the financial resources. And I think, so with all this, with this really caring about also these patients in countries that have not all these access to the novel agents, but on the other hand really bringing in new ideas how we can further develop treatment in general for multiple myeloma. I think he is really somebody who really deserved this award. Then Saad Usmani, I think Saad is a rather not so long-standing or hasn't been in the myeloma community for such a long time, but he has really been extremely involved in the new development, so in bispecific antibodies, CAR T-cell development, and really presented some of the large trials that really moves the field forward. So I think for this he really deserved this award. And then Paola Neri, I think she is really, and it was very emotional, the award, the acceptance of the award by her. But I think she's really coming now more from the experimental part and really developing techniques how we can understand resistance to immunotherapy. So I think the work that she is doing is really something which will be extremely important for the future, and she has been to several of the great labs, has done excellent research at these different sites. So I think again a very good person for receiving this award yesterday.